car's probably cooked.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be sick.
Alright.
Alright, here you go. Thank you.
Alright, I'll have you three go to the police car. You three can go right.
Alright. Start finish down into turn 1. Pretty big passing opportunity goes on here. Pretty fast 90-degree corner, a lot of banking to it. This is what my car can do.
Oh my god.
The S's for most cars kind of flat out all the way up at the top. God, onto the back straightaway. Jesus Christ. That's a buck 35. That's what they call the inner loop. She came. Hell yeah. Turn 5.
Jesus. Oh my god, that's crazy.
Now we're headed into the boot. It's kind of a shape of a boot, so they call this the laces.
I think you can kick it out for us, huh?
I don't think we want that.
If it could, I would. Down to the toe of the boot. Another good straight down to the heel of the boot, turn 8, another good passing opportunities going on here. Maybe I gotta get a GT Lost. Now we're coming out of the boot, up into the lace, or back into the short course. And into the last two turns.
Yeah.
This is 10 and 11.
How much do you love your job?
That sucks.
That's crazy. You won't
Doesn't
lie.
suck.
It's really good to know I
Right?
Oh my god.
That was
awesome.
that
Yo, she was right when she said the
Thank
look
you.
on our faces. I did not
That's
expect
some-
that. Thank you so